All right, y'all, here goes. This is my very first devotional. So I'm not a theologian, and I'm not a pastor, and I'm not a apologist or something, I guess, all the technical terms, but I am a video game developer and I believe in the Bible. So I wanted to start doing these little devotionals to maybe encourage somebody out there, give them something to think about, just something to add to their life that maybe it will help them wherever they're at. So this is our very first one, and I got my Bible here. So I'm just going to start with a classic verse that is Psalm 23:1. And this is David, and he says, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." And so that's what the verse, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." And it's just incredible, the second half of that verse, "I shall not want." That speaks of contentment. It's like he's in a place, he's content in his life. And it's hard to imagine, think of a day that you've gone through that you just didn't want anything. There wasn't, "I need this, I want this, I hope this." It's like, when's the last time you had one day where you didn't just want something pulling you, and he's in a place, he's saying, "I shall not want." And I think that that's like an incredible place to be, that you can actually have contentment. And I don't think that he would have it, and I don't think we can have it truly without the first part of the verse that he says, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." And it's like, it's an incredible humble place to be in his heart, his posture of his heart. It's humility. He's saying, "I'm a sheep and I have a shepherd. I'm a sheep and I'm being taken care of. So I shall not want." And it's like, so I was just thinking about that, and it's like, what else could he have said? "I have infinity money, I shall not want. I have the best spouse in the world. I have the best house. I have power." It's whatever you could fill in the blank. "I have this thing, finally this thing happened. I have a million wish lists. I shall not want." He didn't say any of those things. "I have safety, I have security, I'm good on all fronts, I have all the food I could ever want. So I shall not want." He said, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want." Yeah, we're just kind of like these supersonic want machines that never stop. And there's a layer to that. God made us like this. We have desires. And so, in the right place, in the right time, it's awesome. And God created all things for us to enjoy. So, I'm not saying that we can't like want something and get it and enjoy it. Where it's like, family, friends, food, fun dip, Fritos, anything that starts with F, it seems. God has made all these things, and they're awesome, and that they're great, and they're a blessing from the Lord, and we can enjoy them and have them and work hard and get them. And that's all a blessing from God. And he created us, created this world. And so it's like, yes, awesome, do those things. But it's when they're out of the your value system, they get too big, and it's everything to us. I can't get a girlfriend, I can't get the job I want, and I'm stretching and reaching, and people go to the nth degree, and that we end up like on the end of a rope, that you can't get the thing you want. So it's like, you cannot have it in that place. It can't be on the ultimate throne in your heart. I think that's what I'm trying to get at with this, that David said, all those things are awesome, all those things are great, and we all want them, they're all great, and you can have them. But underneath it all, at the foundation of your motivation, your desire, and your heart, you can have a place of rest. You can have contentment, where you know that the Lord is your shepherd. And so that's just an incredible place to be. So I just want to encourage you guys today to think about that, and maybe set yourself before the Lord and think about how maybe you could trust him a little bit more in a little couple areas in your life that are pulling you too hard. Just let him set you free, I guess. So that's, yeah, Psalm 23:1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. All right, guys, have a good one. Peace.